guys, getting ready to flip the exhaust valve so I can finish cleaning it. I will show you as we go. So guys, eye bolt's gonna go here, one over on the other side with the sling, and I'll pick her up with the chain ball and put it on the deck. That's perfect. So, I personally think that's enough procedure to get things up. That's our second Nikolai. The guy to work for. Got good punch here, man. So, that's the procedure for taking the exhaust valve out of that case, which I think is pretty silly. There's got to be an easier way. But that's where it came from, Wardzilla. The exhaust valve. Now I will finish cleaning the baby up and finish chipping in here. Finish chipping here, getting off the jumpers, covers, still water space here. Buff all that off, clean all this up, buff all this off. That's today's project, folks. And then I got a couple other things I want to get done. So, there we go. I'll show you when she's all cleaned up and ready to go. Now she's just going to sit here. We got one over here already. That one's ready to go, right? So, that's it, guys. I'll be back at lunch. Enjoy your day. Much love, much respect. Remember, come check out the YouTube channel.